Hello, welcome to Basic Electrical Lab. Today we will conduct the experiment on the measurement of resistance and inductance of a choke coil using 3 voltmeter method. This is the circuit diagram, and in the circuit diagram we have auto transformer, then the rheostat, then the choke coil. These choke coil and rheostat are connected in series with the ammeter, and this is connected in series with the auto transformer. The 3 voltmeters are connected across the supply, that is auto transformer, and across rheostat and across the choke. So here these are the connecting wires, and this is the kit which is used for this experiment, but from the kit we are going to take only the supply. Then we have the rheostat. Here in the rheostat we have these 2 terminals as well as here one more terminal. These 3 terminals are provided in the rheostat. If we want to use the rheostat with the constant resistance, then we have to connect between this point and this point. If we connect between these 2 points, and then this is considered as variable resistance, then we can adjust the resistance by moving this knob. Now we have 3 voltmeters, 2 voltmeters like this, and one we are using multimeter, which can be used as ammeter as well as voltmeter, but in this experiment we are using this one as voltmeter. And this is the ammeter which is going to be in series with the rheostat and the choke. Now we'll connect. Now we will connect from auto transformer to rheostat. So this is connected to rheostat here. Then from the rheostat we have this connection. This is connected to the ammeter, and from the ammeter, other end of the ammeter goes to choke, then from choke to the another end of the auto transformer. Now we have to connect voltmeters across the auto transformer, rheostat and the choke. Here while connecting we have to select the range. So voltmeter ranges we have on the meter 600 and 300, but here for this experiment we are opting 300 range. So we are connecting 300 terminal to the auto transformer of this end of the auto transformer, and another end to the common terminal we have here. This will go to the red color terminal, that is for the convenience we think this one as the positive, and we consider this one as the positive, and positive goes to common terminal. Similarly for this voltmeter, common terminal this goes to this end of the rheostat, and the 300 range terminal goes to this end of the rheostat. Now coming to the voltmeter which has to be connected across choke is, we are using multimeter. Here you can use this multimeter as voltmeter as well as ammeter also. So but now in this experiment we will use this one as voltmeter. So switch on the the voltmeter is switched by pressing this button, that is power on and off button, and this is adjusted to the AC. Here the sinusoidal waveform is shown, so this part is AC voltage. So you can keep this knob on any of this, but here we are taking this voltmeter as 300 range, so we can keep this one on 750 range. Okay, now the 2 terminals of this here will connect, and here another. Okay, now with this, now overall connection is over. So the connection is looking like this. Okay, now we'll switch on the supply. So switch on here, and before switching it on, make sure that auto transformer is at 0 position. So now it is at 0 position. So it is at 0 position, and now switch it on. So gradually increase the knob by rotating it voltage, so that here in the ammeter you should get 0.36 ampere. So now it is increasing. Now we got 0.3, so 0.36 we have. Now at this position, note down the reading of voltmeters. Now the voltmeter which is across the auto transformer gives us the reading Vs, that is voltage, supply voltage. So it is 208 because 10 divisions are giving you 20. So 3 divisions means it is 6. So 206. Now note down Vs as 206. Next, this is the voltmeter which is across rheostat. So this will give the reading VR, that is voltage across the resistance. So here it is almost, it is equal to we have connected to 300 range. So below scale you have to 300 range. So below scale you have to read. Now it is almost equal to 60. So this is 30, 50, 58 it is. So note down Vs as 58. Now V choke. V choke is nothing but it is the voltage across choke. So now this voltage we are getting as 183.9, and current is 0.36. So we have noted down all the readings. Similarly, you have to conduct for different readings of the current. Now similarly, for current 0.36, we got the readings, two readings as 197.33 as Vs, 175 as Vc, and 60 volts. This is 60, not 160. This is 60 volts across rheostat, and current is 0.36. Like this, we have got another set of readings where Vs is 194 and Vr is 55, Vc is 175, current is 0.36. After getting all these readings, using these formulae, we can calculate the inductance as well as the resistance of choke coil. The another method is also existing, that is by using phasor diagram method. Here we can use this phasor diagram, and in this phasor diagram we have the two right angle triangle. One is VR, Vs, and this is small vr, and another one is O, Vs and Vr. So writing the Pythagoras theorems for both the right angle triangle and solving those equations, we can calculate L, that is inductance, and R, that is resistance for the given choke.